Well, then I learned about lease options and subject choose, and then the creative stuff started. So why do I do this? My big why is these two. These are my twins. So I got married young. I had my twins young. And then, unfortunately, I got divorced. And my two kids went with me everywhere. They saw more houses than most realtors will ever see in their life. I would like, you too? In the car. Now, they were born and raised in Michigan. Their whole lives they lived in Michigan. Guess where they live now? Arizona. My daughter lives 2 miles from me, and my son lives 5 or 10. They both are within a 15-minute drive now, and my daughter has 2 children, so my grandkids live really close. So it's amazing. So this is my why. I love doing this. I got married later to Michael, and he had 3 kids, so now that's our family. We have 5 children, and 3 live in Michigan. And there's my 4 grandbabies, 2 in Michigan and 2 in Arizona. So that's really my why, along with investors. This is my group in Michigan, the Michigan Real Estate Investors Group, and I just love sharing with investors how to build wealth. It's not just about doing a deal, right? Because anyone can do a deal, and you make 20, 30, 50, 100 grand on the deal. But what do you do with the money? Right? How do you take that money and build wealth with that? And that has become my passion now in life, because now I'm almost 60, and I have friends who are in their 60s and 70s who don't even own their home free and clear. It's scary to me. I'm thinking, what happened? All those years you didn't even pay off your house? You know, and that's the world we live in, and it's not going to get easier for your kids, your grandkids, because the wealthy people are getting wealthier and the poor people are getting poorer. Is that correct? Why do you think wealthy people are getting more wealthy? Partly because they're smart, but they also take their money. Because now I have a lot of cash. We sold a lot of our properties in the last few years. My husband's like, if you get hit by a bus, I don't want those properties. And it was top of the market. It's top of the market. I'm like, okay, you're right. Let's just liquidate. We'll get our cash. So, wealthy people, people that have cash, have opportunities that make higher returns, right? Than people that don't have a lot of cash. Then they don't have those opportunities. You know, my son just did his first, we're doing, I do a lot of apartment syndication stuff too. And I said, give me 100 grand. I'm going to put you in an apartment syndication with me. He's like, oh, Mom, that's a lot of money. I'm like, yeah. And I go, it's only 10% return to start with. And you get 10% on your money, and then you're going to get some later from the profit. And so he gets $833 a month from that. And he's like, wow, this is really cool. Is this what you've been talking about all these years? About making money on money? I'm like, yes. So you got to be able to take that money that you get from all of these deals that you're doing and start getting that money working for you. And I said, yeah, but James, when you start getting even more money, a lot more money, then you can start getting deals that are always going to be like 20%, 30%, 40%, 100% returns, right? Those make a big, big difference.